Hello everyone, this is Matthew from I Love Free Software TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and share polls on Snapchat stories. To do this, I'm going to use a free app called TOKO. The app is available for both iOS and Android on respective stores. You'll also get links to the same in the description below. Once installed, launch the app and log in with your Snapchat account. Once logged in, it shows you a random pre-made poll which you can change by tapping on this dice or make your own poll by tapping on this pencil icon. Now you can write your question followed by the options. You can also change the background color of your poll by tapping on the color palette icon. This app also lets you add your Bitmoji avatar, which you can change by tapping on this icon. Once done, you can share the poll on your Snapchat story. It opens the snap camera and show you a transparent preview of your poll. Just click a snap and put it as your story. Now, whenever your friend votes, you'll get a notification from TOKO app. Here you can check the results of your shared poll and see the number of votes. You can also share the poll results or reshare the whole poll again if you want. Do note that all the voters will be anonymous, and you won't be able to tell who actually voted on your poll. That's it guys, this is how you can create and share polls on Snapchat. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe us for more.